What's up, y'all? What's cracking, man? You know what I'm saying? I'm out here kicking it, you know what I'm saying? Working on the wagon. And I don't remember where I left y'all off at, what point I stopped recording, what point I got discouraged and said, you know what? I'm just going to stop recording. I'm over this. That's it. Forget YouTube. Forget everything. But I'm back now. So I calmed down. You know what I'm saying? Your boy chill now. So, yeah. I ended up taking the wagon apart. If you did not see or don't know, the wagon ended up getting taken apart, y'all. So all the wires got cut up and all that. So what had happened was, since I got the car, I've been chasing it short. Every time I turn the key, the car doesn't turn on, and then when it does turn on, it turns on for a few seconds, and then it cuts off, and then I didn't know what the problem was. So initially, I popped the hatch as in all e34 wagons. I found some messed up wires. I fixed that. Problem still was there. Then, as I remember also, it had rain during that time. This was during the time when rain was crazy out here. I don't know what it was. Like, it was raining for like a month and a half straight. And as you see, the windows are messed up. Well, this one's messed up. This one's messed up. Mainly, I think all of them are probably messed up. That one's messed up. So, rain had got inside of the car. So, with rain getting in the car, of course, the electronics are going to mess up. So, with that being said, that's why I took out the carpet. I took all that out because I figured it was wet from the rain. Something got messed up. So I took everything off and I decided to go through all the wiring, make sure everything is dry and everything's fine. So that way I don't have no problems. And I ended up with this. So then as I was going through it, the fuse box in the back got tangled up. Wires got tangled up. Everything got all messed up. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got frustrated. I got mad and I started cutting wires to rewire it, basically. You know what I'm saying? To tuck it, because all the wires was coming up over the bench. And I also felt that was pinching the wires. So what I did was, like I said, I got frustrated, I got mad, I started cutting wires. So wires are cut. The other night, I went back. I started soldering some things, putting things back together, and I think I got like one connector on the whole box back. So now I'm in the middle of putting the wagon wiring back together because I believe I fixed the problem and I know what it was. And when I tell you guys what the problem is, you guys will be like, you took all that apart for that. So, yeah, I'm trying to get this back together, man. And also I was on the internet and watching DDE, man. DDE, they doing their thing, man. I'm proud of them. You know what I'm saying? I remember when I was over there working, not at DDE, but I was working at another company, and they used to come around a lot, and I would, you know what I'm saying, see them do their thing, man. To see where they are today, man, hey, salute y'all. Y'all doing y'all thing, man. They posted that they're having a block party, a meet. So they took over the old Hoonigan spot in Compton now, and they call it the Block, and now they're having a block party on Tuesday. Today is Saturday, and I think it's like 8 o'clock. So I think they posted it the other day. So I was thinking like, damn, I want to go, because they threw the first one. It was cracking. It was over 7,000 people. I missed out. I wasn't there. I couldn't get no footage. And I'm like, damn, the next one I'm going to go. So the next one is on Tuesday from 8 to 10. So, and all my cars are broke. So I figured the closest one to completion is this one. So if I can get the wiring done in time by Tuesday and put all the interior back together, I'll be at least able to dip. Now, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be the nicest thing there, but at least I'll be able to pack a gang of the homies up in the wagon and we go down there and have a great time. You know what I'm saying? So that's the plan, is to finish this car up, have it done and ready and rolling for the DDE block party. Now, will I make it to the DDE block party? I forgot. I got motor stuff I got to do too. But if you know me and you know these motors, man, it's not that bad for me. I could do this in a few hours. So I still got to put the motor together, because I took that apart. I still got to wrap up all the wiring. So basically, I'm going to say in 2-3 days, I basically have to finish all the motor stuff, rewrap all the wiring up, refinish all the wiring up in here, put all the interior back together, and I also bought a interior carpet cleaner. So I'm gonna detail the carpet, clean everything. So this is gonna be a sweet, clean ride when I'm done. Yeah, put everything back together. I might just leave the headliner out because I'm gonna end up wrapping the headliner suede, or I might end up doing the starlights. I think the starlights would be dope in this car too. So we'll keep the headliner out. So we'll do everything besides the headliner, clean the interior, clean everything up, and get it cracking, man. So yeah, man. The wagon, wires. See if we make it to the DDE meet. So from today on to Tuesday is gonna be basically me vlogging about what I'm doing, what I got going, and if I'm gonna be able to make it to the block party on Tuesday.